decorator design pattern is a structural design pattern designed to dynamically add behaviors to an object without modifying it. Suppose we have an interface iUserService that has a method getUser that returns the user object. And we also have a user service that implements the iUser interface. Now, let's say you want to add logging to this method. A beginner or a junior developer will open the user service class and will start adding the logging statements directly inside the getUser method. But over time, this will get bloated with a lot of logging statements. You can do better using the decorator. When you implement a decorator, you need to create a decorator class that will implement the same iUser interface, and you will also inject the same iUser service class inside this decorator class. When you are implementing the same getUser method inside this decorator class, you can return the same user object which the user service is returning. But now you have a chance to add the logging statements before and after calling the actual getUser method. This way you can add additional behaviors to the user service class without modifying it. As you can see, I haven't touched the actual user service class at all. Finally, we need to tell ASP.NET to chain the user service and the decorator service together. And the easiest way to do this is to use the Scrutor library. The Scrutor library has an extension method decorate that can simplify the registration process for you. Here you can see I'm registering the iUser service with the user service logging decorator. Now every time you will inject the iUser service in any class, the decorated version, which is the user service logging decorator, will be injected and you will automatically get the logging statements everywhere. The decorator design pattern is essential because it respects the open-close principle, which means your classes are open for extensions but closed for modifications. In other words, you can add behaviors to an object by extending it, but you cannot modify the existing object. In ASP.NET Core, we often use the decorator design pattern to add cross-cutting concerns, such as validation, logging, or caching.